All right, here it is. All right, we just ordered in a full-size back Tusk bumper that goes over and then it connects to the top of the roll cage, kind of like a roll cage extension. And it just showed up. We're leaving literally tomorrow, so I was just chomping at the bit, hoping that this thing was going to make it in time. Just showed up, so we're going to just slap it on here. So anyways, I'll walk you guys through it. All right, so we just unboxed everything. Here's the bumper, and it's a really good looking bumper. It's got a nice gloss black finish to it. Here's the part that goes up and attaches to the roll cage. It's got some nice aluminum put on there that says Tusk. I mean, it looks kind of nice, little good accent look to it. Here we got the spare tire holder that'll mount onto the back of it. And as I recall, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put this on before you put the roll cage on the machine because you won't have access to the bolts. We are actually not going to be putting that on today because, well, I don't have a spare tire. So, shows how prepared I am. And then this is a rack, storage rack that goes on top of the roll cage. So you can put a cooler up there, whatever stuff you want to put. Here's all of our brackets that will mount it to the roll cage, a spare tire mount that'll help the spare tire mount to the back of the bumper. Hardware. There's the instructions, pretty sweet. Hopefully they help. We'll see. And cool little Tusk sticker. So all this, the whole package, I got everything for, so yeah, the whole package here, I got everything for 280 bucks off eBay, and it shipped in like 7 days or something like that, so it wasn't too bad at all. Showed up pretty quickly. I just wish they had a better durable box, but everything looks like it showed up fine, didn't get hurt, so that's great. So let's start turning some wrenches. We got the back part off. Remember there was a little clip here like that, and it mounted pretty much everything to the roll cage. And instead of trying to pull this down to here and tighten, what I did is I grabbed the clip from here, I brought it around to the inside, and if you could see, I brought it right here to this hole that was right here, and I just got it hooked up there. It's kind of a tight, weird little fit, but it's got a lock nut here and looks good there, obviously. She is, guys. Turned out great. Yeah, you definitely want to start tightening things from the bottom to the top, and when you get to the top, make sure you get it centered on the top of the roll cage of yours here. Yeah, make sure you get it centered up here, and your center rack right here for storage. Yeah, so your center rack here, make sure that it can bolt in between the top parts of the roll cage before you tighten it down. Otherwise you're gonna have to loosen it back up so you can get that on. We're not gonna put that on this trip. We're gonna wait, and I'm also gonna wait for the spare tire carrier until we get a spare tire. It'd be a good idea to get one soon probably, but that's where we're at today. Tusk bumper and roll cage, it worked out great. I recommend getting them if you're wanting a back roll cage for one of your 800 razors, cheap, bolted on real quick, and it looks nice. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, follow, all the good stuff. All right, till next time, guys. See ya.